Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading a test place so changes won't harm live games. Once done, enable the command bar from the View menu and dock it where you can type comfortably. Make sure to select the instance or player you intend to affect. The command often runs relative to your selection. You'll see immediate feedback in the output window. Use that to confirm success before moving on to more complex commands. You'll now run commands that change the scene or players. Start with simple colon shortcuts like respond to test behavior, then progress to short Lua lines that modify properties. For example, set an object's position or change a humanoid property. That shows how command context matters. If you need multiple lines, separate statements with semicolons or press enter for readability, and always watch output for runtime errors so you can correct syntax or selection mistakes immediately. Finish by testing changes in play mode so you see client-server effects. Commands in Studio can behave differently in runtime. Once happy, save to version history or copy command snippets into a script for permanent behavior. If something goes wrong, pause, make sure you targeted the right instance, verify you have permission to run that command, and read the output error text for exact problems. If necessary, undo changes, adjust the code, and reapply the corrected command.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.